Hey guys, today let's talk about this WELLOKB 80 pieces permanent marker. My daughter received this as a birthday gift from one of her friends, but this is very cool. I want to share some tips and pros and cons for this. Just open the package, you see wow factor, 80 different color, the pin head just pop up. It's beautiful, just like flower. And each pin come with two heads or dual tip. One is the flat head, it can has more thicker line, and the other side has the fine point, which is you can draw in more delicate lines. And each head, you don't have to guess. They have a marker shows the flat head or fine point. Let's weight it. So each pen about 0.50 ounce, and here's another one, 0.50 ounce. When you use it, it's very smooth. It's alcohol based, so not only on paper, but literally you can put it on any surface. But remember, this is a permanent marker, so do not let your kids draw everywhere, and then you got to have a problem to erase it. And if you can see, the flat head is very smooth and and also the fine point. To put it together, it's very easy. Just put it on and zip it on. Overall, I really like it. The one thing I don't agree with the web description is the ergo design. I mean, to be honest with you, I feel this square shape is a little bit thicker and not really fit my daughter's hand, but overall it's still a good pen and she like it. What we like the most is the package. It can sort everything in one package. She never has a problem losing her favorite pen. Overall, it's very good. We like it. She likes it too.